Hi everyone, welcome to TRP Conversations with Clint and Elizabeth.
It's great to be here. What are we sharing with everyone today?
Well, I thought we'd introduce everyone to the new TRP steering gear seal kits.
TRP is really excited about the addition of the seal kits. With 19 new part numbers, the seal kits are now available in our parts distribution centers.
That's pretty awesome, tell me more.
TRP seal kits are original equipment quality, designed and engineered specifically for aftermarket rebuilders.
Plus, the kits have been tested to meet ISO 9000 series standards and meet or exceed all OEM requirements.
TRP seal kits are available for rebuilding the more popular steering gears in the marketplace, including TIS 40, 65, and 85, the M100 and 110, and the HD 94.
And these kits make installation easier and reduce the chance of ordering wrong part numbers by combining everything needed into a single part number.
TRP seal kits come with top quality Teflon sealing rings that have a very high temperature rating, extremely high lubricity, and inert to most caustic fluids. Viant O-rings have exceptional chemical, thermal, and oxidation resistance.
And that means they can withstand the heat and chemicals found in the harshest working conditions.
What else do you know about these kits, Clint?
Well, first, the sector shaft seals are designed for easier installation compared to OE seals, while still performing as well, or in some cases, better than the originals.
That's pretty good. What else?
Well, the kits include redesigned one-piece Tetra seals for improved durability on gears that require them.
Wow, you did your homework.
I had to be prepared.
I like it. This kit is a great option. Like all TRP products, this is a premium quality part that will fit any budget.
Also, it's a good idea to remind your customers that during installation, it is recommended to use the manufacturer's complete service manual with the provided illustration sheets. Service manuals should be referenced for required tools and methods of installation.
Many of those OE service manuals are available on PACCAR.net.
That's right. PACCAR.net is a great resource for service literature.
Take some time to look around the site and get yourself familiar with how to find important information. You and your customers will benefit.
That's great advice. Anything else before we sign off?
If you have any questions about stock levels, sales, or any additional training, contact your PACCAR Parts District Parts Manager for more assistance.
Well, that's all the time we have for today, and as my grandpa used to say, enough for now. See you next time on TRP Conversations.